How to use emotes in Blox Fruits. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about using emotes in Blox Fruits on Roblox. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to open your Roblox and then log into your account. After that, click on the avatar on the left side of the screen. On the right side, hover over animations and select emotes. At the top right of the emotes section, click on Equip Emotes, and here you can see the different emotes available. Choose a slot for the emote you want to add, and if you want to remove an emote, simply click on the cross icon next to it. To find more emotes, check the recommended section below or visit the marketplace. Now let's use the emotes in the Blox Fruits. Open the chat in the top left corner of the screen. Type /e followed by the name of the emote you want to use, like /e hello, and press send. Alternatively, you can also type /e followed by the number of the emote from the Roblox emote wheel, such as /e3, and it's that simple. Now you can enjoy using your emotes. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can use emotes in Blox Fruits. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.